Got an ITSAUDIO file from iTunes Store music purchases? This is an audio file format used in the iTunes Store ecosystem. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you play these iTunes Store audio files. Be sure to stick around for the end. I'll introduce the single most powerful ITSAUDIO inspection tool that can address this entire problem, along with virtually every other file type you encounter. ITSAUDIO files are audio files associated with the Apple iTunes Store ecosystem, potentially containing purchased music tracks, audio previews, or other audio content from the iTunes platform. They may include digital rights management protection tied to Apple ID authentication for purchased content. ITSAUDIO files typically use AAC or other Apple-supported audio codecs within container formats compatible with iTunes and Apple Music. The format may include FairPlay DRM protection, metadata, album artwork, and Apple-specific tagging following iTunes, content distribution specifications, and digital rights management requirements. The core professional tool for handling the ITSAUDIO format is iTunes from Apple. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows gives you quick listening access, but expert-level editing requires dedicated audio suites. Your first move is to test all possible decoders. Right-click your ITSAUDIO file and choose Open With. Use iTunes if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. Testing is the quickest diagnostic method. When your ITSAUDIO file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. We've simplified the problem to 3 distinct common points of failure. This quick list shows you what those problems are and how to quickly confirm them. First, opening with iTunes or Music app. Install iTunes for Windows or use the Music app on macOS Catalina and later. Launch the application, sign in with your Apple ID, and add the ITSAUDIO file to your library. Through File, then Add to Library. The audio plays with proper authentication if you have valid licensing rights for the content. Next, converting to standard formats. For DRM-free ITSAUDIO files, use iTunes or Music app to convert tracks to MP3 or AAC formats. Right-click the track, select Convert, and choose the target format. DRM-protected content requires additional steps and respect for copyright, as removing DRM may violate terms of service or copyright law. Finally, streaming through Apple services. Access purchased ITSAUDIO content through Apple Music or iTunes Match Cloud services available on multiple devices. Sign in with your Apple ID on iPhone, iPad, Mac, or PC, and your purchased content syncs automatically. This provides cross-device access without managing individual ITSAUDIO files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.